Hi students, Namaskaram. Now we are discussing a practical problem in the chapter overhead for the computation of machine average. The question: compute machine average, cost of machine rupees 10,000, estimated life 10 years, estimated scrap value rupees 1,000, estimated working hours 50 weeks of 44 hours per year, of which maintenance is expected to take up 200 hours. No other loss of working time is expected. The setting up time is estimated at 5% of the total productive time. The machine uses 10 units of power per hour at 10 paise per unit. The machine requires a chemical solution which is replaced at the end of each week at a cost of rupees 20. Two attendants control the machine together with other 5 identical machines in the shop, each getting wages of rupees 60 per week. Insurance of the machine shop is 1% per annum. The rent of the machine shop is rupees 1,200 per annum. Departmental overheads apportioned to this machine amounts to rupees 1,250 per annum, and repairs of the machines are estimated at 50% of the depreciation. This is the question. We are entering into solution. Computation of machine average. We are given cost of machine rupees 10,000, estimated life 10 years, and scrap value rupees 1,000. These are given to find out depreciation. Depreciation is equal to cost minus scrap all divided by life. That is cost 10,000 divided by scrap value 1,000 divided by life 10 years. We get rupees 900. Depreciation rupees 900. The machine requires a chemical solution which is replaced at the end of each week at a cost of rupees 20. Chemical solution rupees 20 per week, and we have 50 weeks. Cost 20 per week, and we have 50 weeks in the year. Therefore, chemical solution rupees 20 into 50, rupees 1,000. Two attendants control the machine together with other 5 identical machines in the shop. It means in this shop there are 6 machines. This machine plus 5 identical machines in the shop, each getting wages of rupees 60 per week. In the shop there are 2 attendants, each getting rupees 60 per week, and 6 machines. This machine plus 5 other identical machines, total 6 machines. Therefore, attendant salary for this machine is equal to salary of 1 attendant rupees 60, for 2 attendants into 2, for 50 weeks into 50 divided by 6 machines. We get rupees 1,000 as attendant salary for this machine. Attendant salary rupees 1,000. Insurance of the machine shop is 1% per annum. Therefore, insurance of this machine cost 10,000 into 1%, rupees 100. The rent of the machine shop is rupees 1,200, and in this shop there are 6 machines. Therefore, rent for this machine is equal to 1,200 divided by 6, 200. Rent rupees 1,200 per annum for this shop. This shop contains 6 machines. Therefore, rent for one machine 1,200 divided by 6, rupees 200. Departmental overheads apportioned to this machine amounts to rupees 1,250. Overhead 1,250. Repairs of the machines are estimated at 50% of depreciation. Repairs is equal to 50% of depreciation. In this question, depreciation 900. Therefore, repairs 900 into 50%, 450. These are various standing charges. Add them, we get total standing charges per annum rupees 4,900. We have to divide this rupees 4,900 by the effective working hours. We are given estimated working hours 50 weeks of 44 hours per year. Number of weeks 50, number of hours per week 44. Maintenance is expected to take up 200 hours. In this year, the expected maintenance 200 hours and setting up time is estimated at 5% of the total productive time. From these points, we are required to find out effective working hours of the machine. Number of weeks per annum 50. Number of hours per week 44. Therefore, total hours per annum 50 into 44, 2200. Out of 2200, 200 hours are required for maintenance. Less maintenance 200 hours. We get productive hours 2000. Productive hours 2000. Setting up time 5% of productive hours 2000 into 5%, 100. Now we get 1900. This is the effective working hours of machine. Effective machine working hours 1900. Okay. We have to divide the total standing charges by this effective working hours. Total standing charges rupees 4,900 divided by effective working hours 1,900. We get 2.58 standing charges per hour. The machine uses 10 units of power per hour at 10 paise per unit. Cost of power per hour 10 units at 10 paise per unit. Therefore, 10 into 10 paise, rupee 1 power, rupee 1. Add the standing charges per hour and power, we get machine hour rate 3.58. Computation of machine hour rate, depreciation 900, chemicals 1000, attendance salary 1000, insurance 100, rent 200, overhead 1250, repairs 450, total standing charges per annum 4900. Answer continues. Standing charges per hour 2.58, power 1, total machine hour rate per hour 3.58. So thank you.